Welcome to SOS Electronic. Today we will have a look at UNI-T measuring instruments, a professional solution for measurement and diagnostics. UNI-T products set the standard for excellence. In industries where precision, reliability, and efficiency are crucial, they are the ultimate partner for your daily tasks. From diagnostics to testing and preventive maintenance, our innovative solutions streamline your work and boost your efficiency. Explore the range to find the perfect fit for you. The recently added measuring instruments to our inventory share several common features such as reliability, precision, versatility, user-friendliness, and focus on efficiency. The first product is advanced handheld LCR meter UT622E. High resolution combined with standard SCPI command control via mini USB interface allows for quick and precise measurements as well as component sorting with preset tolerance values. The second product is desktop digital multimeter UT8805E. It offers a range of functions and fully automatic measurements suitable for various requirements in development and manufacturing, as well as wide data control and reading options. Useful mathematical functions are also included. Control is possible using SCPI commands, and the device also features data logging capabilities. It is an ideal desktop device for quality control, calibration, and electronics diagnostics. The third product is dual-channel digital oscilloscope UTD1202C. It helps you get a clear overview of electrical signals in your systems. It also serves as a multimeter for measuring most common quantities and has a USB interface. The oscilloscope allows for recording and replay functions of sample data and automatic measurement of up to 27 different sample parameters. Thanks to battery power, the device is electrically isolated from the power supply, making it possible to measure between any 2 points in the circuit. It is a valuable tool for troubleshooting circuits and testing new designs. The fourth product is dual-channel signal generator UTG2122B. It is high-quality desktop dual-channel function generator that offers professional functions for circuit testing, development, and tuning of electronic devices. Last but not least is miniature USB infrared thermo camera for Android devices UTI-722M for precise diagnostics, detecting overheating in machines, checking electrical circuits, maintaining home ventilation and air conditioning systems, and monitoring temperature range. It is an invaluable tool able to uncover hidden problems before system failure. It features a unique miniature USB infrared camera with manual focus and high resolution in the infrared range that allows for sharp imaging even at close distances. Key features and technical specifications of UNI-T measuring instruments can be found on our website. If you are interested in more information or if you need technical advice, visit us at soselectronic.com. We'd be happy to help you.